Okay, in this video, they want to know what the area of this tabletop is, but we can also see that this tabletop is made up of triangles. Let's count the triangles together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We'll double check ourselves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And it is true that we have 14 triangles on this tabletop. Well, when we want to discover the area of one triangle, we use the formula area equals half of the base times the height. And we can see that the base of the triangle, of one triangle, is 20, and the height of another, of the same triangle is also 20. And each triangle is the same base and the same height. So 1/2 of 20 is 10, and 10 times 20 is 200. But then you have to remember that we had how many of those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 of those. So we'd have to multiply the area of one triangle times the number of triangles that are contained on this tabletop. And we would end up with, this is our answer.